What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. We're going to go over our friend Bitcoin, currently sitting at 16.7, up 5%. We bounced as we expected in the previous video and on the Discord. Currently sitting at 16.7K, up 5%. Sitting market cap of 360. Oh, that probably looked super. Oh, maybe I should edit that out. Billion. I was trying to do like a trombone, but looked more like I was doing the Glock 3000. Anyways, we're sitting at a 24-hour volume of 32.83 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Bybit, make sure to sign up, grab up to $30,000 in bonuses. Oh, there's my alarm going off, telling me that my nap is over. Just one moment. Okay, I'm back. I was trying to take a nap with all my adventuring here in Bali, but I just couldn't. I'm not very good at napping. Yeah, so you can sign up to Bybit, and then if you make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. So let's look at Bitcoin. We talked about bouncing yesterday, bullish divergence, potential 5-wave move completing a wave 1. So if we zoom out, this is my wave count. Please remember that Elliott wave is subjective to the person who's drawing it out. So what I'm looking at is this was a wave 4 that took you up to about 25K. We're looking to come down in a wave 5. So wave 1, drawn out ABC into a 2. Looking to come down in that wave 3, in my opinion. And so far, everything has been playing out to an absolute T. So hopefully that continues. It's always nice as a technical analyst for the chart to do what you predict it's going to do. So what I'm looking at here, potentially this is a 5-wave move, like wave 1, wave 2. Let me use my brush. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So that may be a wave A, and then you come down in a B, and then come up in a wave C. But we've already reached the wave 2 zone in between 16.2 and 16.6K, so we can get rejected from here and start to come down. The bullish scenario is we come up and break this high of 16.9, and I would not flip bullish until that happens. As of right now, what we're looking at, in my opinion, is that this is a wave 1 down, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in a 3, 4, 5. As you can see right here, 3, 4, 5. Complete the wave 3, put in a wave 4, complete the wave 5 to put in the larger wave 3. If I zoom out here, larger wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, which completes the 5-wave move from the previous all-time high. For BTC, and the bear market would be over, in my opinion, in between 10 and 13K, as we've been predicting on the channel for quite some time. All right, gang, so we'll see if we get rejected here in between 16.2 and 16.6. Just be cautious of potentially putting in an A, B, C correction. But if we do get rejected, come down and break this low, then we can start to see continuation to the downside. And the only way I'll flip bullish is a break above 16.4K. So hopping over to our next chart, as you can see with our bear pennant pattern, we broke down. We're currently retesting that down sloping trend line of resistance. Let me grab my brush here. So we have resistance once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then we break down, we retest, and usually you see continuation to the downside. We'll see how it plays out. Technical target down here at 11.8K. We'll pop over to our next chart, which is the exact same one that I previously showed you. Absolute amateur. So we'll look at the DXY. We were watching this bullish divergence on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, which played out and met the technical target. We started to roll over. So we'll see if the DXY is able to hold a higher low and see continuation to the upside, which would be negative for Bitcoin here. But if the DXY simply comes down, then it can come back down to retest this level of support, potentially put in a double bottom. Now looking at the NDQ 100, we pushed back above the neckline. We previously broke below it, but we are holding the EMAs. So we'll see if we can see a continuation to the technical target, which could be a positive signal for the price of BTC. Of course, there is a lot of bearishness and fear in the market, especially with what happened with FTX. And that does signal that we're getting close to the bottom here, probably not time-wise, but price-wise, as I've been predicting on the channel. I just saw a beautiful post on IG about that I put in the Discord that is accessible for $10 per month. Let's look at the Dow Jones. We've been looking for a bull trap. Now we're continuing to push up here on the Dow. We might invalidate this. Looks like we're going to start to invalidate this bearish divergence on the daily time frame. So we'll see what happens with the Dow Jones. I was looking for that bear trap, which is definitely, sorry guys, bull trap, which is definitely still on the table, where we fall back down into the pattern. But if the Dow Jones continues to break out and push to the upside, your next resistance, let me just drop in a box quickly here. Your next resistance for the Dow Jones is up here in between about 34.7 and about 35.4. And that's where you would look to find resistance and potentially see rejection. But I'm still looking for a bull trap on the Dow, and we'll have to see how that plays out. So in the short term, we meet our rejection. So in the short term, for the price of Bitcoin, we've met our rejection zone in between 16.2 and 16.6K. No divergence yet on the hourly time frame. We are trending towards overbought. Let me quickly pop open the money flow. Hope you're doing well. I hope you're working towards all your goals and aspirations. So as you can see here, the money flow is quite high as well, and that can trigger a move back down when we start to trend towards overbought. But we have broken out of a small inverse head and shoulders, and the technical target would take you all the way up. Basically, very close to that wave too high would take you all the way up to about 16.8K, which would make a wave to pull back less likely, but we'll have to see how it plays out. If we just start to consolidate right here, and then you see it start to break down, maybe we create a small double top and we break down, then we can either put in that ABC or start to continue to the downside. Overall, I still think we're coming down to 11 to 13K, 10 to 13K, but it's just my opinion, not financial advice. So take it with a grain of salt. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Make your first deposit. You can email me or sign up email. I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. Just going to quickly pop it open here. And my trade signals and my analysis are coming in at $10 per month. You can sign up through the Patreon link. Recently locked in some juicy gains, just a 2x leverage trade here on my Bitcoin short positions, which I dropped the signal for, and early access to my analysis, which can help you with your trading. But of course, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. But you can have free access to all chat rooms if you sign up to one of the exchanges. Make your first deposit, email me or sign up email. And the 10 USD membership for my early access to my analysis and my trade signals. All links in the comments and in the description. And I will see you. My camera just cut off. Hopefully that recorded. I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.